guys, what's up? It's Natasha here. Today's video, I'm just going to be reviewing another BOXY. Yes, I've done multiple of these on my channel, so if you are ordering a BOXY or subscribe to it, go check those videos out. I just show you kind of what I got before, so you kind of get like a little teaser of what you may get. I actually really like my box that I got this month. It is, why did I have to check my phone? It's November. I should know that. And I like my box, so I really wanted to show it to you guys. So I'm gonna do that today. Don't know where I put it. Let's go find that. Did a little dark eye. I am going out tonight, so I decided I'd get ready and then film a video. Might as well use the makeup for something that I need to get done. BOXY, so excited. Okay, I don't know if I recorded this one, but I did get this palette in my last month's October. So cute, a little fall palette, adorable. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna show you guys is this makeup remover. It's Pore Refining Witch Hazel Cleansing Makeup Remover Towelettes. I don't really like using makeup remover towels, like wipes, just because I don't think it's that good for your skin, but I use them and I kind of like it, so I'm gonna keep using it just a bit, just very lightly. Like, don't rub on your face too much, because that's what I used to do. Don't do that. But yeah, isn't this so cute? They smell so good. They're so like fragranced, which probably isn't good. Okay, next thing I got, I don't know if you guys want me to make like a video of me using these products, because they're kind of cool. I can do that for you guys, so leave a comment down below if you want me to like try out BOXY makeup and do like a full face with it. That could be kind of fun. So we got this trusty foundation stick. This is like eco-friendly, vegan, cruelty-free, non-toxic. It's no waste as well. This is like recycled plastic or something. So literally you like open it like that. You have a foundation stick right there. Use on your face. And on the other side is a sponge to like sponge out, which I probably wouldn't use this sponge just because it doesn't really look like it'd be that nice to blend foundation around. But yeah, this is super cute. I don't know if the shade will fit me. Will match. Maybe for the winter. I do have self-tanner on, so I'm excited to try this out. Let me know if you guys want me to film it. This one thing I got is really fun. So this is like a little Better Than Therapy lip oil by Better Than Therapy. Boom. It's like gluten-free, cruelty-free, vegan, and 10 toxic chemicals free. And it's really nice, has a little bit of sparkles in it. But yeah, so this is it. It's really cute. It has a cute like applicator, cute packaging. Okay, next thing we have this Primrosing Cream Lip and Cheek Palette. Super cute. So this is also cruelty-free and PETA certified, vegan, shea butter, and really good ingredients. Here it is. Let's see if I can open it. Ooh, there's my camera. Love it. So the colors aren't really like something I would normally use, but let's try a little bit on my lip. And then, so that has like 3 different colors, which would be fun to try out. I also got this Refresh and Reset Glow On Fifth Beauty Brightening Mud Mask. It smells amazing, and I used this with my boyfriend the other day, and it literally made our skin like so nice. Like the next day, my skin felt so good and just looked so glowy. So I really give all power to this thing. So yeah, even if you don't get this in your box, I actually recommend like buying this, because I'm gonna use it again. And that's pretty much all I got in my box. Didn't seem like a lot, but actually kind of did seem like a lot. I don't know. I liked everything that I got. Thought it was all super cute, and I'm gonna use it all. Like the last boxes I've gotten, like I don't really think I'm gonna use all that stuff. The brow gel I got, love it. It's like my favorite thing in the world. I would have never used the brow gel if I never like ordered from BOXY, so glad I did, because now I'm obsessed, and I'm definitely gonna be using all this other stuff. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Let me know what you want to see from me, and follow me on Instagram. Bye.